Hi guys, I'm Kate, your plastic-free mermaid, and today I'll be teaching you how to make seeded crackers. So this is a great way to avoid plastic packaging that often surrounds delicious crackers. Now, we don't want to have to just abstain from eating crackers forever because they come wrapped in plastic. No, that would be quite extreme. Instead, let's explore ways that we can make crackers. So as we all know, chia gets this little gelatinous layer around it when it gets wet, same as flax. So we use that property of these seeds to bind all these other yummy things together. So we've got our pumpkin seeds or pepitas, we've got sunflower seeds, we've got the flax and the chia. I've also got black sesame seeds, and then I'm going to use some flavoring, salt, chili, and nutritional yeast. So we make like a cheesy, spicy cracker. Yum. You can use any seasonings for this. You can use dried herbs, you can use other spices like Mediterranean spices, Moroccan spices, or Indian spices. So just get creative and play with this. The world is your oyster. I'll put the full list of ingredients below so that you're able to see everything that you'll need for this, as well as the instructions in case I'm difficult to follow along here in my video. So, let's get into it. Step 1, turn on oven, 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit, check, and grease your pan. Done that. Step 2, we're going to measure out all of our dry ingredients into a big bowl. 1 cup of flax seeds, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup sunflower seeds, 1 cup pepita seeds or pumpkin seeds, ½ cup sesame, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and ½ cup of nutritional yeast. So what I've done with this little glass is I just took a measuring cup and I measured how much a ½ cup is and a full cup is, and I just made a little line. Cute. Those are all of our dry ingredients. Hi! Here's a little close-up, if that helps. Always trying to give you new angles, you know? A cup of water, which I shall add to my dry ingredients. I want to mix this well. And then we let this sit for about 30 minutes while we wait for all of the water to be absorbed. The next step is to spread our mixture, which is kind of hardened here. I've left it here for 30 minutes. And we're going to spread that into our pan. So you don't want the mixture to be any higher than about 5 millimeters. You want it to be nice and thin. So just patting that down. There we go. Nice and flat in our pan. Then we score it. So we take a sharp knife and we just draw little lines. So this is going to help us break it into square-like, rectangular-like shapes, as opposed to it just like breaking all different crazy directions, which can be fun too. Now I'm going to pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. I'm going to check on it. Cracker time! Alright, so the timer just went off. So let's take my knife and give it a little tap. So now this batch of crackers is ready to be flipped. So I'm just going to flip these over so the bottom gets a chance to bake. And you'll see that my scoring, I might even help that scoring along just so they're easier to flip. Using my spatula to just deepen those lines, I can just flip this whole section in one go. Oh, so this is a little bit gooey still on the bottom, so that's exactly why we're flipping it. Pop them back in the oven. Looks like my crackers are done. So we'll just help them out. Oh yeah, nice. So nice and hard. Use the spatula along my scored lines. Look at that. Beautiful little seeded cracker. So cool. So that's that. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Please comment any questions, or if you appreciated this recipe, please share this with your friends. If you think other friends and people you know would benefit from learning this recipe or expanding their abilities in the kitchen, or just be interested in reducing their waste and using less plastics. And all my events, retreats, workshops are on iquitplastics.com. So please come join me on a mermaid retreat. We go snorkeling and swimming and learn all these sorts of things, but in person and in a really beautiful exotic location. So yeah, thanks so much and hope you have a great day. Mwah!